Okay guys, welcome everyone, and it's yet another episode of timing belt replacement. And this is the type of engines that you need to know how difficult are they in terms of timing belt replacement, and a very complicated one indeed, but we are here to show you step by step how to change it and how to align the timing belt proper to get the correct start. So this channel is the channel of engines, timings, and all the do-it-yourself tutorials about cars. So this is where you can able to get access to every kind of work that you need to be solved here. So consider to subscribe to this channel, never skip. Click the bell icon and click the notification bell to stay updated, where you can able to get all the new videos that we've been upload weekly. So it's Eric Auto Center worldwide, and you're welcome once again for this wonderful tutorial. These are the kind of engines that full electronics, and rotor pumps are very crucial for timing marks, where you can able to align it. So in this case, I'll take you to the down first, which you can see there is a pointed mark there, deep mark, so it will match straight to the crankshaft key. This is where you can able to see it clear. Yes sir. So it is what it is, from key to the crankshaft key, the pointed key there, as okay inside there. Okay, so it is what it is. It is what it is. And let me do it clear for you so that you can see. So you can see the pointed key inside there, which will mark the crankshaft key. Yeah, this is the top dead center, the down key, and here too we have the injection pump key, which is here to this side. You can see the deep mark there, so this mark will indicate this key for also the injection pump. And coming to the top keys, we have inlets, we have exhaust. So what you're gonna do is to align and turn this gear to 45 degree, which will give you this mark here. There is a deep mark here, and coming to the exhaust gear, to this is the exhaust and this is the key, so they align together. But inside here, this is where you can able to, this is the cross line, so you have to able to match these lines correctly so that you can get the correct start. And I will take you through to watch it carefully. So as soon as you align them to meet together, they have to meet together to align to this line. This is the correct timing, so you better take a look at it well, and don't hesitate to call us. So it's simple tutorial, and this is the type of engine you want to see, full access to it. So this is how it is, and we welcome you to the home of auto, the home of timing. So it's timing belt replacement, and it's simple as that. So share the video and like, put your comment below. Let's hear from you and assist you for any difficulties. Thank you, and in the meantime, bye bye.